Death is a reality every human being will face. In Islam, death is not the end of existence. It is the beginning of the journey toward the hereafter. When a person's final moment arrives, the angel of death comes to take the soul. For a righteous believer, angels descend with mercy and the soul is taken gently. But for those who rejected faith and lived in wrongdoing, the moment can be difficult. After the soul leaves the body, the person enters a stage known as Barzakh, the life of the grave. There, two angels question the deceased. Who is your Lord? What is your religion? Who is your prophet? For the believer, the answers come with certainty. My Lord is Allah, my religion is Islam, and my prophet is Muhammad, peace be upon him. The grave then becomes either a garden from the gardens of paradise or a pit from the pits of hell, depending on a person's faith and deeds. This state continues until the day of judgment, when every soul will be resurrected and stand before Allah. On that day, every action, big or small, will be accounted for. In the end, humanity will enter its final destination, Jannah, the eternal paradise for the righteous, or Jahannam, the punishment for those who rejected the truth. And that is why Islam reminds us that this life is temporary, but what comes after it is forever.